Hello. Today we have to talk about web designing technology. So this a dynamic computer language was developed in 1995 by Brendan Eich. Uh, Commonly used as a part of web pages there, whose implementation scripting to interact with the user and to make the dynamic web pages there. So it is one of the interpreted programming. It is called as a scripting language because this language that interprets the script at runtime. These script environments also. We know that this scripting language is of two types. There is a client side, server side scripting language also. Client server script runs at user end, that is the, and the JavaScript is the example of client side script that is interpreted on the server. Means what? JavaScript is the client server script that is runs on the browser machine, and PHP is server side and Java is client side here. JavaScript was first known as there is a live script, but Netscape changed its name to the JavaScript of excitement being generated by the Java. So that's why live script is changed to the JavaScript. So here question around JavaScript. So JavaScript is a lightweight interpreted programming. Sorry. It adds the interactivity to HTML web. JavaScript is scripting language of the web. The scripting language is simple programming language. We know that, and the JavaScript usually inserted into HTML pages between the means what? The JavaScript is inserted in the HTML with the help of script tag and interpreted language. Why it is interpreted? It means that the scripts execute without the compiler, and the JavaScript is free to use. Means what? It is mostly commonly used as a web pages whose implementation allow client side script to interact, make the dynamic pages there. It has also object oriented capabilities There are few features it has. Means what? JavaScript is an object-oriented scripting language. It is light-weighted. It is scripting language, but it is and JavaScript are same or not. JavaScript is interpreter-based scripting language. It gives the HTML designers to a programming tool they into HTML page. JavaScript can react to the event. It can read and write HTML document. It is used for the validation of data. It is objects there, and the most of JavaScript control statements syntax are the same as that of control. Syntax of control statements are same as of C language there. So these are the features. So here name is JavaScript. So here question is, are Java and JavaScript? Question is, Java and JavaScript are same, and answer is that no, both are not the same. Java and JavaScript are two completely different languages. Java used for JavaScript is used for web development there. Also, Java is developed by Sun Microsystem and it is the complex programming. While this JavaScript is a dynamic language which is developed by Brendan H. in 1905. This is the basic difference between Java and JavaScript. There are the few advantages of JavaScript. There are the few JavaScript. First one is that the less server interaction. Second is that immediate feedback to the visitors. Third one is that to increase the interactivity interfaces. Then speed is higher, simplicity, versatility. These are the advantages of JavaScript. Those advantages it has also limitations, disadvantages. First disadvantages is that client-side JavaScript does not allow the reading or writing the files. This has been kept for the security reason. Next one is that JavaScript cannot be used for networking applications because support available for the networking. And next one is that JavaScript does not have for the multi-processing capabilities. So these are the limitations of JavaScript. Today only we'll see the syntax of JavaScript, then we'll stop. JavaScript can be implemented using the JavaScript statement that are placed within the script tag in the HTML. So you can place the script tags containing your scripts anywhere within your web page, but it is normally recommended that should be kept within here. But normally it is a recommendation is that you should keep it within the head tag. The script tag allows the browser program to start the interpret as a script. So simple syntax of JavaScript is that script tag, JavaScript code, and then closing tag of overview of web designing technology. That is the JavaScript here. Thank you.